Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. I'm Zarissa. Today we are doing a review slash demo on the Dyson Supersonic R hair dryer. I'll make sure to link it down below along with the flat iron that I'm using, and also these are affiliate links and I do get commission for them. Now the style that I'm doing today is a silk press, and the Dyson, I am just showing you the comb attachment that comes with it. It comes with, I think, 5 attachments. Let me check the stats. Yes, it does come with 5. It comes with a wide tooth comb. It comes with a diffuser. It comes with a... Ooh, don't let me lie to you. Now I gotta go look at the other 3. Hold on. Flyaway attachment. Oh my gosh. Hold on. Professional air concentrator and power air attachment. Okay, we have gotten through all the attachments, okay? It comes in pink and rose gold ceramic. Now, I always wanted to get my hands on a Dyson and see how good it works. And I have been using this for a month, and every client that I have used it on has been like, ooh, what is that? And I'm like, girl, it's a Dyson. Because, that's how you got to say it. It's a Dyson. And everyone's like, I like that. Oh my gosh. It dries everything so fast. I finished blow drying her hair in 15 minutes, and as you see, she has very long, thick hair. And also, it wasn't like picking through her hair. You know how some comb attachments are really short and it's like you're picking? This one goes through like a comb, which I love. It has 3 heat settings and 3 speeds. I am using the highest speed and the highest heat setting. It also has a not a cool attachment. It has a cooling button, which I also like to use to follow up to seal in the cuticle. It is also pretty quiet. Like, we were able to have a full conversation while I was blow drying her hair. And right here, I was trying to show you all of the attachments. I did end up using this one at the end on her hair after I finished flat ironing it. That is the flyaway attachment that I was talking about. The comb attachment right there. It's what I use to blow dry her hair and get her hair as straight as possible before the flat iron. The diffuser. I have used the diffuser. When did I use it? Oh, I wish I could remember, but I did use it and it did come out really cute. And then that one is for like power blow drying. That's something that you use before you start really defining your blowout. And I didn't show the last attachment because I'm going to be honest with you, I could not find it at the present moment. I also wanted to add that when you put the attachments on, it's a magnetic clip, so you need to make sure you hear that little snap. Otherwise, it's not going to be on, and it doesn't start unless there is an attachment on the dryer.
been written.
Pretty much. I know somebody has went back, girl, because people change their minds all the time.
Isn't that crazy?
They be doing it.
Cut it.
Cut it. Bow. Cut it. Cut it. Skirt. Cut it.
Cut it. Cut it.
Them is really bad. You need to cut it.
Got whiplash.
How you get whiplash?
Oh, yeah. I like it. You always do such a good job.
And then I'm going in with the flyaway attachment. I have a recommendation that if you are doing a silk press, use the heat setting first and then go in cool. But if you're just doing a blowout, you can just do cold. As for the Dyson, I give it 5 out of 5. This is a really good blow dryer, and that's from a professional cosmetologist. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'm going to try to post twice a week, and all of the information and where to buy the product will be linked down below. And until next time, have a good day or night or wherever you are. Bye.